The U.S. Air Force has just wrapped up an overhaul of its fleet of F-22 Raptor fighters. The massive upgrade, conducted at Hill Air Force Base in Utah, included structural repairs to extend the service lives of the fighter jets, and fixes to each fighter's anti-radar stealth coating. The planes also received inspections and refurbishment of the flight control system. The work involved taking all of the jets through 6 unique maintenance machines for structural repair, modification, coatings restoration, and aircraft damage repair, according to the Air Force, as well as performing structural modifications to increase total flying hour serviceability on each aircraft by 8,000 hours. The Air Force originally designed the F-22 Raptor to have an 8,000-hour lifespan, so this effectively doubles the lifespan of the world's first fifth-generation fighter jet. The extra service life this upgrade entails will add decades to the F-22 fleet's lifespan. The Air Force believes the Raptor will be in service at least until 2060, or more than 40 years after the last jet rolled off the production line. The overhaul includes refurbishing the low observable coatings on the engine inlets. Maintainers also inspected and overhaul aircraft flight controls as deemed necessary. The coatings consists of a boot layer of a radar-absorbent material, followed by layers of paint. It's not exactly clear how many F-22s received the upgrade. The Air Force says 247 Raptors were involved in the process, but the service really has only 185 jets.